Hello everyone. Welcome to the last video lesson on the sets encompassed in the shape similarity method. Today, we are going to practice sets 10 and 11. Let's begin with set 10. In this set, we will learn the letters gha, cha and dha. Let us start by looking at the letter gha. To write the letter, first of all, draw a semi-spherical figure, also called a hemisphere, in an anti-clockwise direction. Then, starting from the last point of this figure, draw another hemisphere in the same way. Drag the end point of the second hemisphere a little longer to the right side. Now, draw a vertical line on the right side of the figure so that the vertical line touches the end point of the second hemisphere. Finally, draw the Shirorekha. Thus, we can see that we have written the letter gha. The letter gha is used anywhere, at the beginning, middle or end of a word. Let's see some examples now.
घर, घघरी, बाघ, घास.
Now, we learn the letter cha. To write this letter, first of all, draw a semicircular shape in an anti-clockwise direction. Then, starting from the last point of this figure, draw another semicircle in the same way. Drag the end point of the second semicircle and draw a diagonal line outwards. Finally, draw the Shirorekha. Now we see that we have written the letter cha. This letter can be used at the beginning, middle and end of a word. Let's look at some examples.
छाहिर, छछारब, गाछी, छागर, छछारब, गाछ.
Now we will look at the letter dha. To write this letter, we draw a small circle first and continue with writing the letter gha as we learned earlier today. Now, draw the Shirorekha only on the vertical line, and thus we see that we have successfully written the letter dha. This letter can be used at any position in a word. Let's see some examples now.
धान, बधाई, बाघ, धरती.
Now, we will practice set 11 here. In this set, we will learn how to write the letters A and I. To write this letter, first draw a small vertical line downwards. Then, drag the end point of this vertical line downwards and draw a diagonal line. Now, draw another vertical line parallel to the first with a small gap and join its end point to the intersection of the vertical line and the diagonal line. Finally, draw the Shirorekha. Thus, we see that we have written the letter A. The letter A can be used at any position in a word. Let's see some examples.
एक, एकता, बधाई, जायब, माय, बेमाय.
The next letter is I. To write this letter, first write the letter A, then draw the Shirorekha and finally draw a small diagonal line over the letter A, and thus the letter I is ready. This letter can be used at any position in the word. Let's look at some examples.
ऐतिहासिक, ऐरावत, कोहलियक.
With this, we have officially completed our journey through all 11 sets of the Devanagari script. Remember, writing is all about the balance between the vertical spine, the curves, and that final unifying Shirorekha. If you can master the flow of the pen, the letters will begin to form naturally. I encourage all the learners to go back to the sets that felt a bit tricky and try writing each letter at least 5 times until your hand remembers the movement. Keep practicing, keep writing, and I look forward to seeing your progress. Thank you.